Welcome to our lesson on using simple phrases to tell a story in English. Let's dive right in. To start a story, you want to grab your audience's attention. Here are a few phrases you can use. Once upon a time is a classic that sets the stage for something magical. You could also say, a long time ago, or in a small town, to create a sense of place. These phrases help your listeners visualize the setting and get excited about what's coming next. Now, let's talk about what happened next. When you're telling your story, you can use phrases like, then something unexpected happened, or suddenly I found myself in a tricky situation. These phrases keep the story moving and build suspense. You might say, I decided to explore the old house, or that's when I met a mysterious stranger. These transitions help your audience follow along and stay engaged. Next, it's important to describe reactions. This is where you can add emotion to your story. Phrases like, I couldn't believe my eyes, or I felt a rush of excitement, really bring your story to life. You can also say, I was terrified, or I couldn't stop laughing, to express how you felt during those moments. Sharing your reactions makes the story relatable and helps your audience connect with you. As we wrap up the story, you want to bring everything together. You can use phrases like, in the end, or finally, I learned an important lesson. These phrases signal to your audience that the story is coming to a close. You might say, and that's how I discovered the true meaning of friendship, or I realized that adventure is always around the corner. These conclusions leave your audience with something to think about. Now that you have some great phrases to use, I encourage you to practice telling your own stories. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and lessons. Happy storytelling!